Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. So I really have nothing going on today, but it is Valentine's Day, so I just wanted to pick up the camera and just kind of like check in with y'all. I have not been filming or like uploading very recently, and there are just a couple of reasons I wanted to address, but I think I'm gonna make a couple of different videos about it. I have filmed like 2 videos the past like week, but I didn't end up uploading them. Well, the first one I kind of like lost the footage, which was just so frustrating. Like I filmed it, spent a whole day, edited it and everything, and then I ended up having to get a new phone because my old phone was just kind of like, I don't know, it was like glitching out, it was acting sketchy, so we decided to just go and trade it in. So we did that, and I kind of lost all of my footage. So that was just kind of really frustrating, and it kind of like very much discouraged me. And so I just didn't really film again for a couple of days. And then a few days ago, I filmed a faith video, and I just don't think that I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I worked really hard on it, and I spent days like looking up scriptures for it and everything, but I just don't think that I like it. I don't think that it's something I want to say. I'm just not knowledgeable enough, I feel like, with my faith. And so I've just been really struggling on like my Christianity and my like social media and my YouTube. So I'm not struggling with like being a Christian or my faith, but I'm struggling with sharing it. I just feel like I'm not sharing it the right way. And so it's really, really beginning to get to me, because all I want to do is spread it and spread everything I know about it and spread my faith, but I just feel like I'm failing. What's wrong, baby? Hi. Say hi. I love you. You want this? Oh. But yeah, so that's kind of like a whole nother topic. I've received some comments and stuff too, so I'm going to share that, I think, in my next video. I think I'm going to do like a sit down and kind of talk about that topic and just like express my concerns and kind of share some of the feedback I've been getting about being a Christian, and just kind of like why I haven't really done any faith videos, because I know that I keep saying I'm going to post faith videos and I'm going to do faith videos, and then I don't. But I've just been really having a hard time with it. So if you are a Christian, I would appreciate prayers. Even if you're not, if you want to just give me, you know, just pray for me that I can conquer this and just kind of get through it, so I can share some of God's goodness with you guys, and yeah, just what I know. So that would be fantastic. Today is Valentine's Day, and me and him are just hanging out. Tomorrow's actually my birthday. So yes, my birthday is the day after Valentine's Day. So it's kind of fun because every Valentine's Day is kind of all about me because of that, which I don't know, it's good and bad, I guess. I always like it. I think it's super cute. I love it. I am not gonna be really doing anything today. I woke up this morning and my husband and my son both like set out chocolates. I'll actually show you guys what I got, but they set out like chocolates and a cute little like lion and everything on the table for me, and then they made me breakfast. So when I woke up and walked out to the dining room, they were like, "Happy Valentine's Day," and I had all this stuff, and so it was so cute. So I'll show you guys that, and other than that, we're not doing anything. We're not going to go to dinner or nothing like that. We got the kids. So we're going to just kind of hang out. The boys said they were actually going to clean the house for me tonight, so I don't have to do any cleaning today. They literally told me like not to clean because tomorrow's my birthday, and so they want to just clean the house up for me tonight so I can have a nice clean house on my birthday. Oh my God, I like missed a spot in my brow right there. I did them really fast. I haven't been wearing makeup for like 2 weeks because I've been like breaking out a little bit, which you can't really tell, but just like little tiny ones. So I haven't been wearing any makeup, but I figured I'd put some on today because it's Valentine's Day, and I put on some jewelry, which I never put any jewelry on anymore either. And I actually put on like a cute little top, which I just threw it on, but I wanted to look a little bit decent, like a little bit cute when my husband comes home, because it's Valentine's Day, and he said he was gonna try and get off work a little bit early, and I know he's just gonna like clean the house for me and stuff, but I just wanna look good for him. So I decided to dress up a little bit. I mean, I'm really not dressed up. Like, I haven't even washed my hair. all week at least. Like, I don't even know how many days. So it's super, super greasy. It's like falling out of the bun it's in. I'm really not dressed up, but I just wanted to put a little bit of makeup and jewelry on for him and wear something other than jammies. Just because he's going to get off work early and stuff. So yeah, that is what's going on. If you see these boxes and stuff, it's because we're moving. So my house is like a complete disaster right now. I mean, it's not like it would be super easy to clean up. Like, there's just some stuff out on the tables, some Valentine stuff on the tables, and there's just boxes kind of everywhere. Like, our bathroom is packed up a little bit, so there's boxes in there. The dining room is kind of full of like all of our wall decorations just stacked up against the floor, like against the wall. And then there's a bunch of boxes packed up there. So everything is just kind of getting torn down. We're so excited to move. We are moving back to the city. So I'm super stoked about that. It's like an hour away. So as you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, every time I like leave, I have to like drive into the city to go like anywhere other than like the basic stores. So I'm really happy to not have to do that anymore. When we first moved, we've lived here for a year now. We're renting this house. When we first moved out here, we actually had family out here. So it was a little bit better to like be so far from the city because we had family here. And we were going to, because my husband owns his own business, so we were going to kind of start like moving his business out here more, but things kind of fell through, which I actually am going to film a video about that as well. So stay tuned because it involves a family member and how we were very much screwed over kind of, and basically like threatened into silence and all these kinds of things. So stay tuned for that. I will be talking about that very soon. Right now I kind of can't still, but soon I will be able to. So I am actually very excited to share that and finally like get it out to be known about what happened to us and why we are moving. But as for like the other family members that were out here when we moved out here, they moved to a different state, so they're not here anymore. So we're gonna move back to the city where the rest of our family is at, and we don't have to drive so far to like go to doctor's appointments and things like that. So it's gonna be really nice. We're moving out in about a month and a half, and I think we're actually going to be renting my sister's home that she's renting right now, and she's gonna move out, and then we're gonna move in. So it's just super cute, like little 2-bedroom. It has a cute little yard for our dogs and everything like that. So I'm super excited because I just want to be out of this house because of our landlord, which I told you guys I will talk about soon. And also just because I'm so secluded out here, especially with being a stay-at-home mom and having no family around and you know, being so far from the city, I feel so secluded out here. And that's another reason why I haven't been filming, is because I'm in the middle of nowhere and there's nowhere to go. Like, I could go to Target, and even that is like a 20-minute drive. I could go to Target and stuff, but I don't know, there's no one around, and I don't have any friends out here or anything like that. So it's just really hard to be here. And yeah, so I just can't wait to get out of here. I'm very excited. Hey, Bubba's. You guys, he is crawling now. He finally started crawling a couple of days ago, and it is the cutest thing. He's actually fast too, man. He can book it across the room, I swear. He stands up too with a little bit of support. As long as he can like hold on to something, he can stand. And most of the time, like in his crib, he can pull himself up and stand by himself. Oh, and he's trying to get the tripod. No. All right, you guys, so this is the stuff that they got me for Valentine's Day. When I woke up this morning, it was the sweetest thing ever. So they got me this lion, which we're going to obviously give to Kingsley because it's just so cute. You make my heart roar. And then some chocolates, like in a little popcorn box. He got me these Reese's shaped hearts because the Reese's are my absolute favorite candy. And then obviously more Reese's, the miniature ones, some cheesecake M&Ms, and then just the basic chocolates. But I just think that this is so sweet. I love it. It was just the nicest thing to wake up to. Okay, so please excuse the mess on my coffee table. I know there's a lot of stuff on there. Just disregard it, okay? But lately I've been like really struggling to get Kingsley to nap. So he's doing so good at bedtime. He's going like right to bed at, well, we don't put him down until like 9 o'clock, but he goes like right to sleep almost, and he just doesn't even like pitch a fit. And usually he does it in my husband's arms, and he just passes out. Like, that is his place to fall asleep, is right in my husband's arms. So he's great at nighttime, goes right to bed at bedtime, and everything like that. But for naps, I have been struggling this week, and I don't know what it is. So he takes about 2 naps a day. So one in the morning, which he goes to sleep around, he wakes up around like 8 o'clock, and then he goes back down around, I want to say like 9:30 or 10. But I don't know, my dogs have been waking him up from his nap every morning for like the last few days by like barking or whatever it is. And so he's only been napping for like 20 minutes in the morning, and then refuses to go back to sleep for the entire day until I put him in the car to get my other son from school. So to get him to nap, what I've been doing is pretending like we're in the car. So he is literally sitting in his car seat right now, and he is passed out. But that's like the only way I can get him to nap. Is I do this actually multiple times a day, sometimes, like especially on the weekends when I don't have to pick up my son from school. I just put this mofo in his car seat with his bottle, prop it up on a blanket, close the cover, and he is out like a light. Doesn't even finish his bottles, like not at all, and just snoring away. And he sleeps for like a good hour or so in there. So that is a good little tip if you're struggling with nap time with your little one and they're still in like an infant car seat. Put him in there. I strap him in and everything. I buckle him exactly like as if we're going to leave, except for I leave it a little tiny bit looser, so it's just a little bit more comfortable, because I tighten that thing good when we leave. But yeah, I tighten up the straps and everything. I put one blanket over him, and then I put another one for just his bottle to prop up on, and then I close the cover. And I don't know, he loves it. He sleeps so good. So I'm trying to be like really quiet so I don't wake him up. But really quick, I wanted to share that my nails aren't done right now, but I have been doing just like the glue on ones. My brows are just really bothering me today because I did them way too fast and they look like crap. But I do the glue on ones now from like any store. You can get them from like Walmart or whatever. And I've done like 3 different kinds now, and they're like looking so cute, and they last like a full 7 days, like they say. So, and I do dishes like every single day. I do dishes, and I scrub the dishes with my bare hands, and the nails are still lasting like a full 7 days. So I just want to say that I highly recommend, like if you're like me and I don't want to spend the money on the nail salon. Like going and getting my nails done used to be my thing. I loved it, and I love the way the nails look when you go and get them done, and obviously they last like a good 3 or 4 weeks. But it's just so expensive now, and like with my baby too, it's just not worth it. And the fact that I'm like constantly scrubbing dishes, so it's just not really worth it to me. And we're a big family. We've got a lot of bills, so I just don't go and get them done anymore. I haven't in, I would say, like a year. So I just recently started getting like these. I haven't tried these ones specifically yet, but I am going to put them on. I don't know if I'm going to do it today or tomorrow, but I will film it, I think, and either put it in the next vlog, or maybe I'll just make it a video by itself. I don't really know. But I was getting like the individual like 1 manicure packs. I did the Kiss ones and like an LA one, LA something. And both of those were really good and lasted a full 7 days. And they were like longer length too. They were like the long ones. I didn't really like the long ones because it's a little bit hard to like grab Kingsley or like change him, because I don't want to like poke him. So Rick picked up these for me. He picked them out and everything, and it's a whole set. So it's supposed to do up to like 5 manicures, and they're like the short ones, and you can paint them. So I'm super excited about them. I know they're gonna work out great, so totally go and get yourself some, because this is awesome. I don't know how much this one was, but the other ones, like the single manicure packs, are like anywhere from like $6 to $10. I think it just really depends on what you're getting, but they're so great, and I really recommend them. If you want to have just like cute nails, but you don't want to spend the money, it's so perfect. So I need to go let my dogs out, but I'm eating these little like Reese's Hearts, and they're so big, but they're so good. Just like full of peanut butter. Okay, so I'm probably just gonna like stop the video here because I don't want it to be super long and there's not a lot going on. And I'm probably gonna vlog again tomorrow because tomorrow's my birthday. I don't think we're gonna be really going anywhere tomorrow, but we do have some plans for me and Rick. So I have like so many videos planned out just coming up. Sorry, I'm like packing on my kitchen counter, so it's like messy behind me, but really quick, I just wanted to say a couple of things that I have tons of plans of videos. A lot of them are like sit down and chat videos. Like I just have some things I really want to get off my chest and share. And then I also just have some other cute little ideas as well. But if you have any requests or like video topics that you would love to see me film, then just let me know. I would love suggestions. I think I'm even gonna do a video all about my dogs soon, just so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. And I just want to, you know, just share a little bit more. I haven't been sharing that much, and I feel like I've been really like on the DL and just really kind of keeping to myself, but that's not what I want for my YouTube at all. I just really want to be open with you guys and share my life and my adventures and my kids and everything. I just want to share it with you. And I have 3 dogs, so I definitely want to share some stuff on that. And, you know, maybe I'll do like a Q&A about it. That would be really fun. So if you have any questions for me, just go ahead and comment them down below. But anyway, I'm probably just going to sign out here because there's just not much going on. I think I'm going to also vlog tomorrow. So I don't want this video to be like super long, but tomorrow is my birthday. So I'll probably vlog. Oh, excuse me, that chocolate's like giving me heartburn. I'll probably vlog a little bit tomorrow as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I genuinely hope that you guys are liking my videos and just want to hear more from me. I would love to just keep sharing. I definitely encourage you guys to give me some feedback. What do you want to see? What do you like? What do you don't like? All of this stuff, just like message me, comment down below. I just would love to hear from you. So anyway, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.